Hey there, HubSpot users. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to delete a company in HubSpot. Whether you're cleaning up your CRM or removing outdated entries, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it safely and efficiently. Stick around because I'll also share a quick tip to avoid accidental data loss. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, navigate to the Companies section, which you'll find in the main menu under Contacts. Here you'll see a list of all the companies currently in your CRM. Next, find the company you want to delete. You can use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly if your list is long. Once you've found it, click on the company name to open its profile. Inside the company profile, look for the Actions drop-down in the upper right corner. Click it, and from the options, select Delete. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. HubSpot will also warn you that deleting a company is permanent and cannot be undone. Before you hit confirm, make sure you really want to remove it. If this company has associated contacts, deals, or tickets, HubSpot will let you know. This is important because deleting a company can affect related records. Once you're certain, click Delete, and HubSpot will remove the company from your CRM immediately. Here's a quick tip. If you're unsure about permanently deleting a company, consider archiving it instead. Archiving keeps the data in your system without cluttering your main view and allows you to restore it later if needed. And that's it. Deleting a company in HubSpot is simple, but always double-check to avoid losing important data. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a HubSpot tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.